The user summary report is available from the main menu under Reports in the Portfolio Simulation column right here. You can also access this page by clicking User Accounts from the Secondary Reports menu. On this page, you'll see all of the students registered in your class. Again, your class has to have a stock game enabled for this page to have information. This has their orders that they've placed, the trades that they've placed this month, the lifetime trades to date, the last time they logged in, their last trade, and some specific information about their portfolio and whether the account is active. Over here you have a series of buttons. The first column will allow you to view more. So you'll get to see all of the open positions, the transactions that your students have made. Again, you're looking at one student at a time, so you can change the dates if you want to look at a specific period. A detailed balance is just an overview of all the parameters of their portfolio, and you can actually see their trade notes. If you don't make trade notes mandatory, it's very likely you're not going to see much in here. So definitely if you want to use that, you can turn that on anytime from the trading settings page. You can have any of this information exported to Excel, emailed to you, or printed. If you click this button here, you can actually place a trade for your students directly in their account. When you click Add Trade, it will be added directly. The cash adjustment will allow you to either add or withdraw an amount of cash in the student's portfolio. You can even leave a comment to explain why you're doing it. You can reset their portfolio entirely or reset their password from this page. If you want to have all this information exported to Excel or to Google Sheets, you can just click this button and have it sent to one of those two applications. Or if you have a very large class, you can send it to yourself by email.